This is the first Tesla Gigafactory in Asia, and also the first one established outside the United States. Located in Shanghai, China, it stands as Tesla's highest producing factory worldwide. Cars produced here are not just the most efficient reproduction, but also the highest quality. Elon Musk, the wizard behind Tesla's magic, shook hands with the Shanghai government on July 10, 2018, sealing the deal to bring Tesla's prowess to the East. Fast forward to January 7, 2019, and the Shanghai Gigafactory began its journey with construction starting at a pace that had skeptics raising their eyebrows. Cut to today, and this Gigafactory in China has not only shattered production records but has also sent over 2 million Tesla vehicles zooming into the hands of eager customers. It's not just a factory, it's a testament to the power of efficiency, pumping out over 2,000 Teslas daily. This factory is a well-oiled machine thanks to the speed demons working on its design, logistics, and production. For those curious about the salary and benefits at the Shanghai Tesla factory, an ordinary worker can earn an annual income ranging from 100,000 to 170,000 Chinese yuan, nearly 20,000 to 30,000 United States dollars, with 17 annual salaries. This income provides a comfortable living in China according to China's living cost. Employees at the Tesla Shanghai Gigafactory enjoy a buffet of perks: paid leave, complimentary meals, cozy accommodation, free rides to work, and most notably, free healthcare. This healthcare coverage extends not only to the employees themselves but also to their entire families. Now let's talk prices. Elon Musk played the pricing game like a pro. The Model Y long-range version is a cool $35,000 in China, but with a sweet local subsidy of $3,000, you can roll out of the showroom with a Tesla Model Y long-range for as low as $32,000 and receive delivery within a week. Originally planned for a leisurely 2-year project, the Shanghai Gigafactory surprised everyone by flexing its construction muscles in just 2 months for land leveling and a jaw-dropping 6 months to kick off production. What's your perspective on Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory? Share your thoughts in the comments section.